Well, hey everybody. Alright, you know where we are. Sunny side of the property, since my neighbor sold off all his trees. Used to be, look, when we had pine trees, like we got pine trees over there, it was dark over here all afternoon. But now, it's the sunny side of the street. Come on, pups. Yeah, that's my available girl right there. What are you doing there? That's a good potty. Thank you, Bentley. Yeah. Bentley and his sister. It's a good looking pair of Airedales, but I'm pretty sure Bentley, yeah, your sister's not coming with you. No. Yeah, she's not. Sis. Put. She's steadily walking away. There's a dog that needs a name, folks. She looks like she's looking for a potty. Puppy! My dog. Oh, she got a name. But you know, we can change that. Yeah. Yeah. That's in 3 years, this will be a nice bridge. Or I could get out here and rake, and probably be better this year. I was just thinking, like, maybe I should just let it go and let nature make it a bridge, because it'll fill in nicely. Well, anyway. Puppy! Where you going? Pup! Where you going? Look, people came here to see you. Pup! Seems like there's a water hole down here I want to get to. Oh yeah? Those folks have seen your water hole. I want to go dig. Veterinator. Bentley. Yeah, I'm talking to you, dog. Alright, well, didn't mean to drag it on. Just wanted to show them to you again. Oh yeah, nobody wants that ball? Huh. I bet if Casey was here, that ball would be hers. Alright, girl, look, your last chance. You got anything you want to say? Puppy, you got anything you want to say? Come get me, I'm ready. Alright, talk to you next time.